Hello students, welcome to class with mathematics. Today we are going to solve the words problem of the chapter average. Now here I am going to solve the words problem of worksheet 2. First question is there in a part. Here the age of 6 children. Now I am representing the question before you reply. The age of 6 children chosen for a project work are 13 years, 16 years, 14 years, 17 years, 16 years and 14 years respectively. What is the average age of a child in a teen? Okay, so here in the question we have 6 children are there whose ages are given to us and we have to find out the average age of a child. इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर हमें 6 चिल्ड्रन हैं, उनकी एज देख रखी है। हमने एवरेज एज जो है वो एक बच्चे की एज निकालनी कि ऑन एन एवरेज एक बच्चे की एज जो है वो कितनी है। सो टू फाइंड द एवरेज विच थिंग्स वी हैव नीडेड, एज वी नो दैट इज what is average? Average is the sum of addends divided by the number of addends. So firstly we will find out the sum of addends. So ages are given to us. So first child age is 13 years, second child age is 16 years, third child age is 14 years, fourth child age is 17 years and fifth child age is 16 years and in the last sixth child age is 14 years. So we will add these ages of 6 children. So add this one. So what is the sum of these ages? 16 or 14, 30, 47, 61, 61 and 77, then 13, 90. So their sum of the ages is 90 years. Sum of the ages is 90 years. Now the second step, number of addends. So how many addends we have added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 children are there, so number of addends are 6. So you will write 6. Now find the average. To find the average we have to write down the formula first. What is the formula? Sum of addends divided by number of addends, right? So what is the sum of the addends here? Sum of the addends is 90 years. So we will write 90 years divided by number of addends are 6. So if you divide it 90 by 6, 15 6 are the 90. So average age of a, therefore you can say average age of a child is 15 years. Right? In this way all the questions, that is B, C, D parts are there. All the questions are the similar pattern, are of similar pattern, and you have to just find out the, firstly you will find out the sum of the addends. After that you will write down the number of addends, then you find the average. So you will get the average. Now here we have one question is there, that is F part. Worksheet 2 we have one question there, F part. It is little bit different, but now let us try to solve this problem. Now what is the question? Just read the question carefully first. Here we have question is there, in an office 20 employees get a salary of 1250 rupees each. The word each is here, just underline this word. What is the meaning of this one? That means in a office of 20 employee, right? If in a school, if you take the example of school, the schools have different types of employees are there, teachers are there, then some peons also there, so different types of employees, and definitely the teachers have salary of teacher is different, and peon they have salary is different. So here in this office 20 employees, a salary of 1250 rupees each. 20 employees are there, and these 20 employees salary, each employee salary is 1250 rupees, and 10 others employee also there, and who got 2000 rupees each. You have to find the average salary of an employee. एक एम्प्लॉय की एवरेज सैलरी जो है फाइंड करनी है. नाउ ऑफिस के अंदर 20 एम्प्लॉयज़ ऐसे हैं जिनकी सैलरी जो है पर एम्प्लॉय सैलरी जो है, एक एम्प्लॉय की सैलरी जो है 1250 रुपीज़ है. ठीक. सो आपके पास जो सैलरी है, दो टाइप के एम्प्लॉय है. पहले एम्प्लॉय जो है 20 है, और सैलरी ऑफ ईच एम्प्लॉय जो है इज 1250 रुपीज़, राइट. तो मतलब एक एम्प्लॉय की सैलरी है. टोटल जो है एम्प्लॉय कितने हैं उसमें 20. सो 20 एम्प्लॉयज़ की जो सैलरी है वो कितनी हो जाएगी, यू विल मल्टीप्लाई इट. सो व्हाट इज द सैलरी ऑफ 20 एम्प्लॉय? 25,000 rupees. Now this is the salary of employee, one kind of employee, right? जो 20 हैं एम्प्लॉय हो, उनकी सैलरी जो है वो टोटल सैलरी जो है 25,000 रुपीज़ हुई. उसके बाद उस ऑफिस के अंदर 10 और एम्प्लॉय हैं जिनकी सैलरी, हर एक की एम्प्लॉय की सैलरी क्या है 2000. तो यू विल फाइंड आउट सैलरी ऑफ ईच एम्प्लॉय. Each employee is equal to 2000 rupees. So how many employees are there? 10 employees are there. So 10 employees salary. What is the total salary of 10 employees? You will find out it, multiply it by 10. So you will get 20,000 rupees, right? Now that means जो ऑफिस है वो टोटल जो कितना मनी स्पेंड कर रहा है, 20 एम्प्लॉय पे कर रहा है 25,000, और 10 एम्प्लॉय पे कर रहा है 20,000. सो टोटल मनी जो है वो टोटल जो सैलरी है आपकी ऑफ कितने एम्प्लॉय, 30 एम्प्लॉय हो गए टोटल. 20 एम्प्लॉय एक हैं और 10 दूसरे हैं, तो टोटल 30 एम्प्लॉय हैं. तो उसकी जो टोटल सैलरी है वो कितनी होगी, 25,000 रुपीज़ प्लस 20,000. सो इट इज़ इक्वल टू 45,000 रुपीज़. सो दैट मीन्स ऑफिस की जो टोटल सैलरी जो वो अपने एम्प्लॉय को दे रहा है वो 45,000. दैट इज दिस टोटल सैलरी यू विल कॉल्ड एज ए सम ऑफ एडेंट्स, राइट. सो नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉय कितने हैं, या एडेंट्स आप बोलेंगे. नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉय दैट इज 30, राइट. सो एवरेज सैलरी ऑफ एन एम्प्लॉय, एवरेज क्या होगी, टोटल जो सैलरी है वो हाउ मच, 45,000 रुपीज़. 45,000 रुपीज़ और टोटल नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉय जो हैं वो 30. यू विल डिवाइड टोटल सैलरी डिवाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉय दैट इज 30. सो लास्ट जीरो से लास्ट जीरो काट दोगे, 3 के टेबल में 45, 3 15 आर द 45. So that means एवरेज सैलरी जो है एक एम्प्लॉय को 1500 रुपीज़ जो है वो मिलता है। तो देयरफॉर यू कैन से एवरेज सैलरी ऑफ एन एम्प्लॉय is equal to 1500 rupees. So I hope now you understood the concept of average, and rest of some you will do yourself. Thank you.